Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Future Family. I am Krishna Nirmale, ex-student of NIPER Hyderabad. Daily we will discuss a 6 multiple choice question from specific topic that is important for GPAT, NIPER and pharmacist exam. Today our topic of discussion is a posology from pharmaceutics. First we'll start from question number first, that is child dose is equal to age in year divided by 20 into adult dose. Above formula is known as dash dash formula. Option A Clerk formula, option B Young formula, option C Fritz formula, and option D Dehling formula. Now moving to calculation of dose for child, I have a 3 to 4 formula. That first one is the Young's formula is equal to age in year divided by age in year plus 12 into adult dose. Then Dehling formula is age in year divided by 20 into adult dose. Then right answer will be the Dehling formula. Then Clerk formula is a child weight in kg divided by 17 into adult dose. Then moving to Fritz formula, that is age in month divided by 150 into adult dose. Then moving to question number second, child dose calculated by using Young formula and Dehling formula is equal if age of child is dash dash year. Option A 8 years, option B 12 years, option C 10 years, and option D 15 years. Now we'll see the answer with calculation of dose. If adult dose is 20, then Young formula is age in year divided by age in year plus 12 into adult dose. Now we'll consider 8 as a age of child, and 8 divided by 8 into 12 into 20. Right answer will be the 8. Then Dehling formula, age in year divided by 20 into adult dose, that is 8 divided by 20 into 20 is equal to 8. The right answer will be the 8. Moving to third question, which of the following factor affect on dose of drug? Option A age, option B body weight, option C additive effect, and option D all of the above. We'll see the factor influencing on dose calculation, selection of dose. That is first age, because different age like child dose, adult dose, and older people dose have a different dosage. Then sex, male and female, they have a different effect on dose. Then body weight, depending upon body weight we have to calculate dose. Then route of administration, because route of administration deciding the route, because oral dose required more dose as compared to parental. Then time of administration, some drug have given in empty stomach, some have before meal and after meal also. Some environmental factor affecting on dose. Then emotional factor, presence of disease, some liver and kidney disease have an impact on calculation of dose. Then accumulation, additive effect, synergism effect, addition effect, and additive effect, its effect formed by combine 1 or 2 or 3 drugs. Then idiosyncrasy is a allergic reaction. Then tolerance, tachyphylaxis, and metabolic disturbance. If metabolism in disturbance, then dose calculation have to impact on dose selection. Moving to fourth question, using the Dehling formula calculate the dose for the child of 10-year-old if adult dose is a 500 mg. Option A 100 mg, option B 200 mg, option C 250 mg, and option C 300 mg. Now we'll see the Dehling formula. Dehling formula is age in year divided by 20 into adult dose. What is the age of child? That is 10 years. Then what is the adult dose? That is 500 mg. Now we'll put this value in this formula. Age in year is equal to 10, then divided by 20 into adult dose. Adult dose is a 500 mg. Then we'll put the 500 here. Then 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2 into 500 is equal to 250 mg. Then 250 mg is a right answer. Then moving to fifth question, using Fritz formula calculate the dose of 1-year-old child if adult dose is 150 mg. Option A 12 mg, option B 14 mg, option C 20 mg, option D 24 mg. Now we'll see Fritz formula, that is age in month divided by 150 into 150. First we'll see the age in month. Here given the age in year, so we have to convert the age in year into month, means 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 12 divided by 150 into adult dose, that is 150, okay, is equal to 12 mg. The 12 mg is a right answer. Moving to sixth and last question, using Clerk formula calculate the dose for the child weight is 75 pound if adult dose is a 300 mg. Option A is 50 mg, option B 100 mg, option C 150 mg, and option D 200 mg. Then we'll see the dose calculation of child when weight is given in pound. Formula is weight in pound divided by 150 into adult dose. What is the weight in pound of child? That is 75 pound. That is, we will put a value in this. Then 150 is constant, then into adult dose. What is a dose of adult is 300 mg. Then we'll see the 75 divided by 150 into 300. The right answer will be the 150 mg. 150 will be the right answer. If you watch like this video, like video, share to your friend, they are preparing for GPAT, NIPER or pharmacist exam. Don't miss to subscribe this channel, and if you have any comment, doubt, then contact on below number 9675002002. Thank you for watching.